Good afternoon. I am Danilo Monte Jr. Again, we are here at the e-commerce website of my MSME, Bicintas Cafe and Bistro. And I'm going to show you the products of Bicinta Cafe and Bistro. Here on the menu, these are the appetizer. There are 6 category of your product. One is the appetizers, as you can see, and then go back and the drinks and coffee, and then the desserts. There's the cake and other things. So delicious. And going to the native delicacies. Yeah, yum yum. And then let's go to the main course. We have 12 products. Yeah. And then go back again to and last it's the pasta noodles. Go there. And then they have the Max Pugon. Spoon and the Senior one. And their services on Bicintas Cafe. If you have any events or some gatherings like meeting or birthday, you can just click here because they cater also the services. As you can need if you need a catering service, you can contact them. You can contact them on this number, and you can also message them if you want to ask anything about any arrangement you need. You can also cater also cater the whatever you need for your events or for your gatherings. And that's all for the product and services of Jacinta's Cafe. Thank you.